What's up? It's your isolation cooking destination, and we're back at it again with our attempt at a chicken piccata. I don't know if I pronounced that right because I've never made it before. So we're going to start with the chicken. We're going to beat it up like a church mother on the tambourines for a Sunday back after quarantine. We're going to get it nice and flat and ready for the flour. Once we dredge it, we're going to put it in the pan. Get it brown, real brown on both sides. Maybe about 3 to 4 minutes each side. You take your time while you're doing this, throw on some of my music, dance, enjoy yourself. You're going to want to save all that stuff in the bottom of the pan and get ready for the sauce later on. Only use one pan for this. We're going to make sure that we get all the flavor in there from this chicken into the sauce. So all that little crumbles and brown bits we're going to use. Put the chicken aside for later and get that shallot that you diced up earlier ready to go. With the half tomatoes and some olive oil. UBOO. Because Rachel is fine, I should say. So, stir that up. Maybe a minute or two. That's all you really need to do. Get it translucent. And then you're going to add some chicken broth. Some of that pasta water. I added some zest because I like that. And some lemon juice. You're more than like it. Please maintain your feelings while you try it. A lot of lemon juice. It's hard to make lemon look sexy when you're squeezing like that. I did my best. So you're gonna bring it to a boil. A nice little simmer like that.
R-A-L-P-H, I eat these beats. If I ain't the goat, then I'm the kid, ho. Proof is in the pudding, call ways low.
Piccata goodness.
Well, fuck it, at least I'm still that nigga.
Gonna turn the heat off and add some butter. This butter's gonna make it thick. That's left cheek, right cheek right there. Gonna stir it up until the sauce thickens to your desired amount of thickness. And that's how thick I like it right there. To where it's slow to come together after the spoon goes by. Yeah. That's how I like it. Slim thick, if you will. And then we're gonna plate chicken on top, as always. You know what they say, pasta down, chicken up. That's the way I like to eat my pasta. What? Well, that's another episode of whatever the hell this is. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, I'm very pleased with how my meal turned out today. Stay safe. Love y'all.